Welcome, guys. This is the duplicate copy of Ben Eater breadboard computer RAM. It is not whole that thing is. What are the part are missing? Actually, one NAND gate is not there right now. So this memory address register is not connected to the RAM right now, and also not the data from the bus to this 157 selector. The data line are not connected to this 157. So all the things are now okay. But what is the problem with this RAM? You can see here. Okay, I am just programming to the location 0. This is the location 0, and if we move, this is location 1. So 0, 2, 3, like. Let's see what is the problem. So this is the most significant bit. So I just program to the location 0. So right now it is programmed. Okay, this is bit number 7, most significant bit. So I just program that to the location 0. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now one number. So you can see one number. And this breadboard is not connected. Actually, internal these connections are very loose or thin. So this is the problem, because it is actually programmed. See, you can see that thing. When I am connected directly to the pin of that particular buffer line or pin number 12, you can see. So it is programmed. I'm just see. It is not light up when I'm inserted into the breadboard. See, but when I connect it to the pin, so breadboard is responsible for this thing. Now you can see the last bit. This is bit 0. You can see this. See. The pattern also, we can go with the pattern, and that particular pattern will see, but not this bit. So this is also program. So this huge problem. So I just want to try to understand whether it is solved or not. So I will take a thin wire Okay, and I'll connect this from no, it is useless. This line is not giving that connection. So this is the breadboard mistake. So it is surely breadboard mistake. And one other thing is that this NOT gate is not working. You can see. So if I go for this NOT gate, you will see now it is program. Okay, but if I remove these connections and insert this NOT gate particularly, and now I will try to program this thing, nothing will happen. The same bit, but that NOT gate is not working. Okay, but if you'll see, if you want to see that thing, what is the problem with this NOT gate? Now it is program. Okay, no, this. See, and I just show you this NOT gate. It's not working. We'll see into the next part the complete RAM module and its connection with the bus. Thanks for your time.